Hi, I'm Aiden.
I'm Isabell.
I'm Stacy.
And I'm Troy.
I really didn't know what to expect coming into this internship, but having an opportunity at Baskerville-Donovan has given me a lot of knowledge and new skills that I can apply to my college education and my future career in civil engineering.
During a typical day, I completed several tasks pertaining to multiple different projects.
Quantity takeoffs, submittals, data organization,
Attending meetings and shadowing engineers.
Everyone I worked with always gave me an opportunity to take a stab at completing a certain task for a project, shadowing them to learn more about the different projects and tasks I had to do.
I learned the details of how a project goes from need to creation and the challenges that follow.
This internship exposed me to several types of software, how to understand design plans, and basic skills that provided me with the mindset of teamwork and how important each task is in the office.
The most rewarding part of my internship was going to a job site and seeing all of the pipes and tanks we had been working with on paper.
Stacy and I had been working on the model for about 2 weeks, and we had a lot of time and effort put into it.
Besides learning the technicalities behind civil engineers, I had the opportunity to learn and experience how to converse in the business world, giving me a leg up in the future job opportunities.
I think it has prepared me for my future career because at the start of this internship, I had no clue about what being an engineer was like. Now I have worked with several engineers and I can develop my own style based off of my role models.
This experience has given me a good first glimpse of how my future career will look and what to expect, making me more adaptable to problems in the future.